Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you what is Brouter. The term Brouter is used to describe bridge plus router device. Brouter is a network device which operates as a combination of both bridge and router. In this single device, a user will get a function of both bridge and router, as it can send out data to create a connection or link as a bridge between networks, and can also route as a router the data to each system inside a network. A Brouter merges these two functions of bridge and router in the networking system by routing a number of inward-bound data to the exact and approved individual systems, at the same time as sending out other data to another interrelated network. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment on my video. Definition of Brouter. A Brouter is a device that functions as both a bridge and a router. It can forward data between networks, serving as a bridge, but can also route data to individual systems within a network, serving as a router. The main purpose of a bridge is to connect to separate networks. It simply forwards the incoming packets from one network to the next. A router, while the term router is used to describe bridge plus router device, actual Brouters are pretty rare. Instead, most Brouters are simply routers that have been configured to also function as a bridge. This functionality can often be implemented using the router's software interface. For example, you may configure a router to only accept data from specific protocols and data sources, while forwarding other data to another network. Note, since routers are more complex than bridges, it is more likely for router than a bridge to function as a Brouter. Therefore, Brouters are also called bridging routers. What is Brouter? Brouter is a network device which operates as a combination of both bridge and router. In this single device, a user will get a function of both bridge and router, as it can send out data to create a connection or link as a bridge between networks, and can also route as a router the data to each system inside a network. It is aware of the processes for identified protocols to route particular categories of packets such as TCP, IP packets, and whichever additional packets it takes delivery of are sent out to perform a function of the bridge to further networks associated to the device. Functioning of bridge and router. A bridge is a device that maintains links from one local area network (LAN) to an additional local area network, in which both the LAN networks use a similar protocol. In this device, if a data entity projected from one LAN as an objective to an interrelated LAN, then the bridge sends out the data entity to that interrelated LAN, and in case if it's not projected, then it passes it along on the same LAN. The path between a LAN and an interrelated LAN is generally a single path made available by a bridge. A router is a device that maintains links from a network to one or more other networks, in which the other one or more networks are typically a division of a wide area network WAN. And this WAN network may provide several paths as an objective towards other networks. A router always confers with a routing table for the details and information regarding the paths provided by one of other interrelated networks. And in contrast to the bridge, it requires more details and information regarding the interrelated networks. Conclusion: a Brouter merges these two functions of bridge and router in the networking system by routing a number of inward-bound data to the exact and approved individual systems, at the same time as sending out other data to another interrelated network. On the other hand, router is more advanced, since it can route packets to specific systems connected to the router. A Brouter combines these two functions by routing some incoming data to the correct systems while forwarding other data to another network. In other words, a Brouter functions as a filter that lets some data into the local network while redirecting unrecognized data to another network. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.